Hello everyone. Thank you to all of you and supporting and subscribe my channel. When you support me, when you subscribe my channel, I get some appreciation. That's why I get chance to improve myself to give better and better. That's why today I have decided to teach no and knows. No and knows. This is also very important. Actually, this is very easy, but most of the people, most of the students, they think that this is very tough. They don't know how to use. They always confused in this. But today I would like to finish that all the confusion and doubts also. That's why today I am going to start no. First of all, you will notice that I have written here no and knows. First of all, I would like to describe about no and knows. What is no and knows? So, no is the action 1, no is action 1 and knows action 5. And this is very easy sentence. That's why today I am giving some deep knowledge about no and knows and how to give the answer and how to describe about no and knows. How to make the sentence from this, and I think this is very easy. Only you will have to focus, only you will have to listen, then definitely it will be very easy to speak. Now number first sentence I have written here, मैं अंग्रेजी बोलना जानता हूं. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलना जानता हूं. You can write a structure also. Subject, then after know and knows, and just before some time I told that know is action 1 and knows action 5, and then after action 4. Action 4 means ing and object. So first of all, subject. What is subject here? मैं means I, or after I you will write here no, है ना? I know. Already I have cleared that when will you write no and knows. Okay, again I am writing here, I am making you understand that he, she, it and name, and then after singular. After these all the subject you will use here action 5. Action 5 means yes or yes. Except this subject, except this subject you will use action 1, means after plural action 1. So I is not here, then you will not use yes or yes. Directly you will write here I know, and then after action 4 I know speaking. Direct action 4 I know speaking English. This tough sentence. And there is one more option to speak this sentence. I know how to speak English. I know how to speak English. This is also very useful, but this is very easy. This is easy. I think this sentence is easier than this sentence. So while speaking, if you speak this, it will be very easy to speak. It will be set on your tongue. So I know speaking English. मैं इंग्लिश बोलना जानता हूँ. मैं कार चलाना जानता हूँ. I know driving a car. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाना जानता हूं. आई नो टीचिंग इंग्लिश. मैं एक्सरसाइज करना जानता हूं. आई नो टेकिंग एक्सरसाइज. मैं क्रिकेट खेलना जानता हूं. आई नो प्लेइंग cricket. This type sentence you can complete. I think this is very easy. One more sentence from he, or after he you will notice that yes or yes means action 5. So already I have written here knows. This structure is very important. You will say this sentence in your mind. So he, or after he you will write here knows. he knows. और action 4, he knows playing cricket. Playing cricket. This type sentence you can write. वह डांस करना जानता है. He knows dancing. That's all. वह इंग्लिश बोलना जानता है. He knows speaking English. वह इंग्लिश पढ़ाना जानता है. He knows teaching English. वह एक्सरसाइज करना जानता है. He knows taking exercise. This is very easy sentence. You can write this. Now, interrogative sentence. Or before interrogative sentence, I would like to tell you that negative sentence. How will you speak negative sentence? Then you will write here. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलना नहीं जानता हूं. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलना नहीं जानता हूं. Then you will write don't. Simple structure. Subject, then after don't and doesn't, plus only no, not yes or yes. Subject, don't, doesn't, plus no, plus action 4 and object. So first of all you will notice that what is the subject here? I. And then after I you will use don't. Means you will notice that after he, she, it, name singular, you will use here doesn't. After this, except this, you will use don't. So I think you have got idea how to use don't and doesn't. So you will use here I don't know. Simple sentence. I don't know what? I don't know speaking English. This type you can write sentence. I don't know speaking English. मैं डांस करना नहीं जानता हूं. I don't know dancing. मैं क्रिकेट खेलना नहीं जानता हूं. I don't know playing cricket. मैं कार चलाना नहीं जानता हूं. I don't know driving a car. This type sentence you can complete. One more sentence. वह झूठ बोलना नहीं जानता है. वह झूठ बोलना नहीं जानता है. The same sentence you will write here he, or after he you will notice that I have written here doesn't. So he doesn't know. Already I have written in structure. After do does always action 1. Already I have written a structure here. Only you will say to your mind. So subject he and doesn't know, or action 4. So he doesn't know, or action 4, telling a lie. वह दौड़ना नहीं जानता है. He doesn't know running. वह इंग्लिश पढ़ाना नहीं जानता है. He doesn't know teaching English. वह बात करना नहीं जानता है. He doesn't know talking. वह सच बोलना नहीं जानता है. He doesn't know speaking truth. Okay, now I think you can complete many sentences from here, and you can speak some more sentence from here. With the help of this sentence you can write some more sentence and long sentence also. Like, I think. I think this is already we have got idea. I think means मुझे लगता है. I think मुझे लगता है. मुझे लगता है. I think. आपको लगता है. You think. हम लोगों को लगता है. We think. उसे लगता है. She. You will write here yes or yes, because already you will notice that yes or yes I have written here. उसे लगता है शी थिंक्स। मोहन को लगता है, मोहन थिंक्स। मेरी मम्मी को लगता है, माई मदर थिंक्स। मेरे पापा को लगता है, माई फादर थिंक्स। मीन्स आफ्टर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर यू विल राइट हियर yes or yes. So number first sentence you can include in this. मुझे लगता है वह इंग्लिश बोलना जानता है। I think he knows speaking English. This type of sentence you can speak. मुझे लगता है वह इंग्लिश पढ़ाना जानता है। I think he knows teaching English. मुझे लगता है वह क्रिकेट खेलना जानता है। I think he knows playing cricket. मुझे लगता है वह कार चलाना जानता है। I think he knows driving a car. This type of sentence you can write from here. She thinks. उसे लगता है मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाना जानता हूं। She thinks I know teaching English. उसे लगता है मैं क्रिकेट खेलना जानता हूं। She thinks I know playing cricket. उसे लगता है मैं कार चलाना जानता हूं। She thinks I know driving a car. This type of sentence you can write. I think this is a very easy sentence. Now with the help of this you can speak some more sentences. Okay. He thinks. उसे लगता है he thinks you tell a lie. He thinks you tell a lie. You can change some sentence from here, है ना? He thinks you know telling a lie. You can change here also, telling a lie. So this type of sentence you can complete, है ना? I think he knows speaking English because you can complete many sentences from here. I think this will be very useful to complete long sentences. If you try it, then definitely you will be successful. You can speak some more sentences. You can make practice with me. मुझे लगता है आप झूठ बोलते हो। I think you tell a lie. मुझे लगता है आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो। I think you speak English. उसे लगता है आप स्पोकन वर्ड जाते हो। He thinks you go to spoken word. मुझे लगता है आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो। You think, I think. You can speak many sentences from here. मुझे लगता है आप स्पोकन वर्ड जाते हो। I think you go to spoken word. मुझे लगता है आप झूठ बोलते हो। You can complete many sentences from here. Only this type of sentence should be in your mind. Then definitely you can speak the sentence. Or if you have any suggestion related to this video, I will try to improve myself if you write in comment section. Thank you for this and keep watching and keep supporting. Okay, thank you very much.